Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm doing the random ammo crate challenge. Challenge simple. I can open an ammo crate and what ammo I get is the type of weapons I can use. Yo, why isn't this game starting? There's 100 players. That's max. We're gonna go... I think they call Misty Meadows here. I'm gonna go Misty. Problem is, I don't know where ammo crates are in Misty. Go hot truck. See this? A lot of people think the bus driver. Rocks over there. Is nobody, okay, I was like, is nobody gone lazy as hot dog? Lazy must not be as popular as I thought it was. AR and SMG, okay. I can do with that. He really killed that other guy. I think this is AI. Yeah, like, don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Double suppress SMG. Oh, you can... I'm not going to use pistol. Ooh, they are. Go like this. It's gonna be our loadout. There's something under it? Yep. We're running into zone. Oh yeah, there's a helicopter. I think that's the person who killed me last game, possibly. First, not that. That was weird. I think this is where the chest is. Yep, let's go. Gonna drop the double suppressed SMG and go with the tac SMG. Give up on it. Yeah, that's sick. Take the shields real quick. No, looks like we got rotation. Dang it. I think this is A out. Whoa. Ooh, flopper. Run to zone. No. Yeah, I got medkits. I'll probably just pop one and get in. May as well open this. Double blue suppressed SMG. Don't mind if I do. Reminds me about when the silent SMG came out. Okay, 6 ELMs. 28 players left. Not bad, not too bad. Except for our shields. We need shields. There's a hat out there. Let's see if there's a chest in here. Pop this. Grate some mushrooms. Shroom. Another shroom. Time to go zone now. Oh crap, that's a bad zone. Okay, we got a decent one. Can't tell if that's a player or a sign. Don't want to shoot it just in case I blow my cover. It's looking like a sign from here. You never know. Let's go check. No, maybe a person who got kicked out. And it's a sign. Crap, storm's gaining on me. It's a dead body over here. Let's see if there's a mats. One build, not too bad. He dies the storm now, I get credit. I didn't mean to hit him with the S. Yeah. Ooh, let's get up on this hill. Beam this kid. Accuracy was not very good. Let's go. Oh wait, the LMG takes this ARM. Let's go. Can win this game without a shotgun. I think that deserves a like rating down below. That's good. I didn't mean to do that, but it still kind of worked. Really? I hate how long this takes to load. Ooh, half off. Ooh, 3 of them. We're dropping those medkits. Oh, we're at max. Breaking max. What? Ooh. One other player left. I mean, 2 other players left. But only 1 more kill. triple LMG, let's go. Alright, max wood, max brick, max metal. Gotta hit that like button. Please say this kid's not camping somewhere. Sure, get in. Chest. No one loses this place? Hey, you guys gotta hit that like button down below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you can be notified when I upload. Goodbye. Go check out my friend JG's channel, link in the description.